Right now, this phone is in airplane mode, no internet, and I'm asking it something real. And yeah, this is a local AI model running entirely on the phone. No cloud, no API. It's doing everything by itself, and the response is actually usable, not instant, but way faster than I expected. But this is just the basic part. I wanted to push it further, so I connected it to the internet and tried controlling it remotely, from my iPad through Telegram. First, something simple, write a Dart program, and within a few seconds, it responds. Then I tried something more interesting, a system command, open YouTube, and yeah, it actually opens the app. Same with maps, same with navigation, even system-level actions. I can trigger things like the home button, take screenshots, toggle Wi-Fi, basically control the phone, using an AI running on the phone itself. And don't forget, this is still not using any cloud model. Everything is happening locally. Now here's where it gets interesting. I expose the model as an API, which means this phone is now acting like a server. I can access it from another phone, my PC, even my iPad, all on the same network. And if I want, I can even expose it to the internet using tools like ngrok. Now performance-wise, this is running a 2 billion parameter model. I did try larger models like Gemma, but on this device, it gets slow very quickly. So this is kind of the practical limit, which brings us to the real question. How is all of this actually working? We'll come back to it, but first, let me show you the setup. I'll keep this simple. Full guide and script are in the description. First, open my GitHub repo and copy the script link. Also make sure you install Termux from F-Droid, not the Play Store version. Once you're inside Termux, give it storage permission, and update everything. Then just paste the script and run it. The script handles most of the setup automatically, including installing dependencies and preparing the environment. At one point, it will ask you to set up Shizuku. You can skip it, but if you do, you won't get system control features, so I recommend setting it up. I've added the full step-by-step in the repo. Just follow that once. After that, you choose the model you want to run locally. Pick something that matches your device. If you're using a gated model, you'll need a Hugging Face token. Just go to Hugging Face, create an access token, and paste it here. If your model doesn't require it, you can just skip this step. Then it asks for a Telegram bot token. You can create one using BotFather. It takes less than a minute. Once everything is set, the installation starts, and this part can take some time, depending on your device and internet speed. While that's running, let me show you something quickly. To build this whole system, I actually had to document everything: how the AI runs locally, how it controls the phone, how all the pieces connect together. So I put all of that into a proper PDF, and while working on that, I ended up using SwiftDo PDF. It is all-in-one PDF software. What I liked immediately is how fast it is. It opens instantly. Editing feels smooth, no lag. I could just click and edit text, add diagrams, annotate things, basically treat it like a normal document. And the OCR is actually useful. If you have scanned docs, you can turn them into editable text in seconds. It also handles conversions really well. PDF to Word, images, without breaking formatting. It also features the built-in SwiftDo AI, letting you summarize PDFs, analyze documents, and rewrite content. So yeah, if you deal with PDFs even occasionally, this makes things way easier. I'll leave the link in the description. Now back to the setup. Once installation is done, you'll see a start script. Run that, and it will automatically load the model, connect everything, and start the system. And that's it. Your phone is now running a local AI model, with system control and API access. If you want the full breakdown of how this works internally, I've linked the PDF in the description, and you should definitely check out SwiftDo PDF as well. It made creating and editing this whole document way easier. If you found this useful, consider subscribing. I'm building more stuff like this. And if you want me to add anything to this setup or improve it further, just let me know in the comments.